Kiana, especially over into Jamaica as Hurricane Melissa continues to get closer.
And I'm trusting in the Lord. I don't believe we are getting it because Jamaica is a prayerful country.
This are for all of the people that will have a problem with Tiki coming to my event.
Aware of what he's saying. I don't speak Spanish. Understanding all that is written.
Alexa, stop. Thank you. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. Now, we're in Jamaica. We're on the eve of Hurricane Melissa. That girl will take long for come. Jesus, Pim. When I tell you, say, I am literally a walking, breathing Dutty right now because the anxiety is taking over. And from last week, Melissa supposed to reach, and I do not know if she never get to do her hair and get her nails done, but my girl will take her slow time and come in here, and the whole of Jamaica is waiting with bated breath. Now, burritos, I'm just hoping for the best. May I, hoping to just send out good energy and prayers them for the ones them who are in the diaspora that are checking upon them family and them loved ones in Jamaica like me, like ja. Please to ensure that you do so. If you watch the video right now, pause it and go and go check in upon some of your loved ones who are in Jamaica, because not even the storm, but it's more about how people are feeling about their preparation, the nerves, especially the young ones, them, everybody is going through it. So just use this countdown as a little way for us, have a quick little breather so we can laugh about some stuff and talk about some things. Okay? Well, anyway, let's get into this week's top 10.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Shenseea sample. Alright, so dancehall princess Shenseea recently dropped her new single and music video for Boss Up. Yeah, man, take a listen.
Can't wait for him to act right. Stack your paper, get your wet up, tell a nigga see you later, boss up. Go get your nails done here, boss down. Go get the body in the gym right now.
So if you listen to the song and you say, no man, this sound familiar, this sound like something. Yes, it is a sample of, R&B singer Blue Control's early 2000s hit single, Hit 'Em Up Style.
This is what you're all, ladies, when your man wanna get buck wild, just go back to the...
Yeah, man, and so since then, Shenseea has dropped the music video. And it's a cute little thing. Maybe it's going to kickstart one whole Boss Up challenge. But right now, everybody are pre-Hurricane Melissa. So Shenseea, you're going to have to wait for whether this time before the people them can jump in and do Boss Up challenge. But burritos, what do you feel of Shenseea's take on the sample? Sound off below. Is it me alone, or is Hurricane Melissa just sending up my
Anxiety.
Yeah. And in the middle of this, as much as I'm feeling away, I am also thinking about my friends, my loved ones, my family members who live alone. Because if you are feeling
Anxiety
on your own, just imagine what they're experiencing. And a moment like this, we have to remind us that we live in a community. Our community is to look out for each other. So if you're in the diaspora and you want to go and help out your friends, your loved ones, your family back in Jamaica by sending them some quick cash, you can download the app Tap Send, so you can send money to them right away, because it will hit their bank accounts immediately within minutes, and there are no transfer fees once you're sending to a JMD account. Yeah, man, and so if you're in the US, UK, EU, and Canada, you can download Tap Send, use my promo code DuttyBerry10, and you get a $10 USD bonus. And if you're in Jamaica, please make sure you check in on your loved ones, because they're going to need that support as well. Do it right now. Ta-ta. Number 9, Tufton reacts. Alright, burritos know. So the Minister of Health, Christopher Tufton, recently he came under some scrutiny after he made some, a remark towards a journalist, one journalist where that she had the same one. I did load him up some time ago when him did one press briefing. I think her name is Zara Burton. Yeah, man, like the two of them, yeah. But this is not what it's about now. Just Christopher Tufton posted this video to his social media, showing what his haters are saying. Take a listen.
Tufton is the biggest p-hole Jamaica ever seen healthcare. Truth for boss person. So I decided to go into my pages and pulled over a period of time some of the responses on the negative side, just to make the point, and hopefully try to respond to some of them. Jamaica deserves you like a hole in the head. What that mean, boss? You want to kill me? That sounds like a threat to me. I try my best. I'm not perfect. But the truth is we have made progress in public health in many ways. One is almost laughable. Then if Tufton own a funeral home, what would you expect him need on a body? I have never ever owned a funeral home. This is an outright untruth.
Oh wow. No man, that is crazy. Honestly, you know when Michelle Obama said when they go low, we go high, boy oh boy. Right now the only height me I think but right now if we find one of them mountain there, you know, because in my mind everything is just all about Melissa, and I'm just so worried for Jamaicans and just hoping that, you know, this thing just hurry up and pass. And so, you know, we don't have too much damages. Boy, oh boy. Number 8, Risa and Kwan wed. Alright, so I don't know if you're familiar with these YouTubers, this YouTube couple by the name of Risa and Kwan. Yeah, man, and as you might know, like, yeah, one half of the duo is Jamaican, has Jamaican roots. And so when they wedded recently, you know the Jamaican representation had to be there. Take a look. Yeah, man, that was just definitely lovely, and it was nice to see that Wayne Wonder was able to pass through and, you know, to like, you know, take the wedding to another level. Like, people underestimate Wayne Wonder, you know, man. Like, he is a top act, a top dancehall reggae act, like hits after hits after hits. Very consistent artist. But anyway, big up to the YouTube couple Risa and Kwan, and all the best on your marriage. Number 7, Bolt's couples trip. Alright, so you know, Usain Bolt and his wifey Casey Bennett, you know, they have their yearly couples trip with their friends, and it's always something to look forward to. So, you know, this year they're headed to a special location, and if you are a Jamaican, you know the place they have connections in our soul.
So let's get a hat, let's get some paper, some markers, and make us see where we're going.
We are not going to Greece. That's your pick?
Why that come out so quick? Yeah. No, why that come out so quick? It never fall big. It's big when you're going.
Oh
boy.
Guys, we are not going to South of France.
Oh, that was you?
Done. No, move on.
Ghana?
Yes, I can sketch. Hey boy, man, you look down there already, you know. I don't mind that. Don't talk to them. You must not mind this.
We are not going. All right, Case. Where are we not going?
Let's reveal it.
Where are we not going?
Are you right? What on there? Come on, I got Briscoe with.
We are not going to Italy. What? We're not going. We're not going to Italy. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are you going? Oh my God! Where are we going? We are
So it looks like, you know, I can't wait to see all of the images out of South Africa. Number 6, Mavado hosts tour. All right, so as mentioned in an earlier social media countdown, the Gully God is back in Jamaica. And this time, you know, he's getting ready for his big concert coming in December. But, you know, until then, I guess we have to just take a look at his house update. Take a look.
Mavado shows off his mansion in
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
It's such a beautiful place. Look at a view here. From the bedroom. Out to my balcony. Good morning, my people. Much love and respect for the love. Peace and love. That way I do. Always. Gully. Go get your tickets on reggaefest.com. December 27, Gully God and Friends. Kingston, Jamaica. Look. Gully, we're ready.
Alright, burritos, let me know what you think about the Gully God house. You know, well, people say that it kind of old school and it need to modernize it and get a little facelift. What do you say? Sound off below. Number 5, Donna picks Tiki. Okay, alright, no, so you know, it's a Jamaican philanthropist, Donna Go, recently came out of some fire after she, you know, welcomed controversial social media name, someone who goes by the name of Tiki, who is known for for tracing, for being very boisterous on the app, and you know, and for his very controversial statements that he made towards a minor some time ago, where he made some sexual remarks, you know, to the minor on the app. And so, you know, when social media saw that he was at Donna's her yearly dinner, she came under a lot of scrutiny. And on top of that, Tiki was also announced as the best dressed.
Wonderful. Somebody gets to meet me.
Yeah, man, so you know, so Donna back very broad, so she not really business about the haters, and she posted this video.
So this are for all of the people that will have a problem with Tiki coming to my event. First and foremost, I do my event and it's a Planka Nation. Secondly, I never have anything on the flyer say trans or gays or lesbian cannot come. My event is open to the public. Who buy them ticket, that's their priority, and them come to celebrate me, and I appreciate all of them. Now let me tell you something. I go over Instagram, and the amount of message I see on TikTok all about when I write up things and when I do real for me, I come to address on all in one, combined together. Firstly, I never did have a problem with Tiki coming to my event. We want to have the problem now. The same energy we want to put for come the real send out and attack to me, but who come and get best dress and who never did it and who me embrace. Why you never have that same energy there for share my fly up on a page and tell people say Auntie Dana keep.
And I guess my 2 cents right now is what have Melissa to think about. We have Melissa to think about, like we have Melissa to think about. That is the 2 cents. Now here is this week's random video of the week.
A free bread? A free bread? A free bread? A free bread? A must free bread? No, yeah.
Number 4, Rosalie fight. Alright, burritos, no, so right now I am fighting with my thoughts about Melissa, but let's go to Rosalie. So Rosalie was recently, you know, at a hotel, you know, where she was shooting a video, you know, with Elephant Man. I will see the video upon YouTube right now. And of course, you know, Figure It Out was there with his social media boo, Daima, and Rosalie was there with her boo, Akeem. Alright, no, and so at some point there, Rosalie said that, you know, some girl that throw shades on her and I call her big back. When she confronted the person, this moment happened.
She not have no little character. Come on, man. You go this one and you still not have another little bright. No, say a Brazil can't fit you, 4D 40 can't fit. Yeah, Mama Bear. Look at Rio. Rio. She did that. Look at her, Rio. Eh? Look at Aki. So Aki.
Yeah, man, and that is very kind of messed up. No, that very, very messed up. No, that, you know, one fight got transpire. I would say the video where Rosalie end up, you know, them tussle Rosalie tumble her ground and she was just sitting there waiting for somebody to go and help her up. But that's why them say you have to be careful what you say. Because, you know, Rosalie infamous saying is do this and beat me. And that they did. And so, boy, oh boy, me just happy she still have her confidence and she's moving on. We see her with her care now. And so I'm just hoping that Rosalie should just kind of focus on the positivity. We know she should always cuss and have the back her, but I just prefer to just focus on the little bits of positivity that we see every now and again. Because right now, she needs a ray of hope, and we are looking for a ray of hope in this season when it comes on to this hurricane that is heading closer and closer towards Jamaica. Yeah, man. All right. We need a little rainbow, a little, yeah, man. Give me the light, nice little, yeah, man. Let's focus. Number 3, Valiant Art Saga. Right now, my readers have more preparation for what to do right now, so I'm just going to run through the topics them. So, there is a young man who is, you know, he's a visual artist. I guess him draw, you know, him sketches them and him do it, you know, of people. And, you know, he's been drawing several popular artists. And so when he drew Valiant, he met up with him and, you know, gave Valiant his artwork.
Valiant represents Brandon the artist, aka Advance. You know, the bad picture, you don't know him do something for Valiant. And I appreciate it, and you don't know my like art and them little things. I say that connect me right now and deal with this. So all the artists, them and the influence them, connect up with the artists and feel bad. We are calling you picture them, portrait, the bigger portrait. Connect up with people.
And somehow this video dropped online.
I don't know how I'm supposed to pay the bills. Probably have to start selling crack. Or rapping by selling crack.
And when that video dropped, everybody's just like, what the box foot? You are ungrateful. What is taking place here? The man gave $10,000 now and yeah, try to do all of these things. And the guy has been repeatedly posting several videos talking about Valiant. He has told Valiant about his mother. And, you know, it has really been, you know, just, you know, leaving quite a bad taste in the social media people their mouth, because it's just like, what is going on? This cannot be a regular minded person. This has to be somebody that is, he might have problems with Valiant or he might have problem with himself. That is what the social media people then basically say. But the guy has not doubled down. He's been maintaining his stance and, you know, coming after Valiant. And so since then, Valiant has posted, you know, other drawings that he has received. And the artists themselves seem very grateful for the support for Valiant. Right now, me have nothing for to say more than people want a social media moment, and sometimes people operate in ways that them block them blessing. Number 2, Warmington Cross. Alright, now, so we know so Edward Warmington is somebody who is basically the bounty killer of Parliament, cross, angry, and miserable. That man says anything that comes to his mind, he's going to speak with conviction at all times. Warmington come like him walk with the strength of Melissa that is coming towards Jamaica right now. And that strength there, Warmington and carry. Him are the only person I think could have cussed off Melissa and make Melissa go back from when she came. Alright. Anyway, so Warmington, you know, you had Alonda Terlang in Parliament and he was addressing the Cuban representatives, and of course he was speaking in Espanol. You know, he was speaking in Spanish, because I know I forgot show off and show say, you know, him can speak different languages. And also it's a little respectful thing to do, because you know them in the house, you want to show them, say, you know, you are with them and, you know, yeah, meet them where they are, especially when you have somebody who is able to do so. So, you know, Alonda Terlang, he was doing his thing. When in the middle of that now, Warmington decided to jump up, no point of information now, and say this.
En muchos aspectos, especialmente,
please.
Member, I did not turn your mic on at all. Could you start from the beginning?
I'm not aware of what he's saying. I don't speak Spanish. Understanding all that is written. For this house, you must speak in English and English only. I have no idea what he's saying. And I'm entitled to understand what is being said in this house by any member. I don't speak Spanish. And this said, I must hear it in English. Okay? Are you supposed to learn Spanish and come back?
Thank you for your intervention, member.
What kill me? No, honestly, right now, Warmington not surprised me. What is killing me right now is the Lana in the background that dead with laughter. This man is dead in with laughter. And right about now, me are like, Warmington, me no know your power in the party or in a government is up here, so. Because the way you are allowed to just have free reign, you only behave like that when you know so you do your work. You know the people them when you know so them Brighton or you have them footballer with them always a score goal, them can do anything in a class, anything at the school, and the principal will just turn a blind eye at them type of behavior you Warmington have, because who else could have really gone so? Warmington, all with him right, you know, sometimes I just owe him go about it like I am with him, you know, but Warmington just move a particular way where sometimes, you know, it just a little bit, you know, a little bit harsh. You know what I try to say? Him could have smooth things over a little bit, but Warmington is just not that person. I would need to stop expect that from him. Like, Warmington is just there for, for just doing work and for just offer these moments that you have to just take as comedic relief because boy, oh boy. But let me just tell you this, no other politician don't behave like him. Do not do it. You will not get away. This is Warmington's zone. Make him just go on like this. That is that. But, was it an entertainment moment? Yeah. And number one goes to Hurricane Melissa. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Hurricane Melissa. Right now, Berrydo's like, boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, me say the anxiety. I am nervous right now. Because no matter what kind of preparation you make, you know, like, me not think nobody cannot escape it, we cannot cross it. We are just hoping that the bus can swing right now. Because, you know, we never get fit. We never did about for Gilbert. And, you know, Charlie and all of these different things. But, like, this is the hurricane of the hurricane. This is the Beyonce of the hurricanes that Jamaica has ever experienced. And right now, with all of the forecasts, them and Fox News and everybody we are dropped down here, and all of the news bulletins, them, the people, them, we just don't know if you expect, people are getting nervous and them have all of them snacks, them, we don't know. You look at the supermarket, them, the people, them buy up the whole of the bread, them, you know, and and right now, it's just like, it just feels like doom and gloom. That is it. And so, but me forgot to talk about this video when, you know, CVM TV reporter went down to, I think it was St. Thomas or Portland, speaking to the residents about what they're hearing about the hurricane and how prepared they are.
To their level of preparedness in light of the emergence of Tropical Storm Melissa.
Well, for me, I don't prepare because we don't think we're going to get any hurricane. Hurricane Melissa not coming at all.
Yeah, man. From what day, man, me hear say hurricane a come, man, but me not take that serious, man. Take what serious, man. Me there sit down. If the hurricane come, enough people not take it serious.
Yeah, I'm living by faith and I'm trusting in the Lord. I don't believe we are getting it because Jamaica is a prayerful country.
We're not getting no hurricane, man. You see me? It just always pass by and go about the business. You see it? So you don't know. It's a Portland.
Boy, oh boy, man. And am I even surprised? Burritos, I'm going to be trying to post as much as possible about Hurricane Melissa. I might be going live and sharing you tidbits of information once I can and once there is light and I'm able to do so. I will try to keep you guys updated. Yeah, man, Burritos, but I'm just so over this Melissa thing. Just let me know, how are you feeling about all of this? Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure you say you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at DuttyBerryShow. And to email for bookings, the email address is bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time and stay safe. And remember to use Send to send money to your loved ones who are in Jamaica. Remember the promo code. My promo code is DuttyBerry10. All right? Take care. Stay safe. And you'll see me again.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them salt me, I will have me not a week, yo, just tune in.